Alright, now we're live. So, if you guys are not in it, make sure you guys join. Good to see you. Good to see you too, brother. Good night. What time is it over there? Give me a good night. What time is it where you guys are out there saying good night? We're live now, so if you guys are not in it, make sure you guys join. Let me now share this on everything. Lyrics EU. Over you now. Or dollar what? See? I'll tell you now. I wonder why the picture that I want to do is not really working. This picture that I had here, but now it doesn't appear, which sucks. I like the base on Nasdaq. All futures for China liquidity. Alright, so taking a look at the market now, get a little bit more into what we see here, right? Dollar looks, EU looks very bearish. Looks like we have this nice push up higher. We had a nice little push up to begin with the day yesterday. It looks like price now wants to start dropping, right? That's very interesting to me because we did have this level of FEG, which it can get used as a buying point now, but it's not looking like that. It's looking like it wants to continue dropping because of that bearish level structure. So this to me looks like a big sweep right here. That's what it looks like we just sweep this, a bit of an impulse higher, and now we're reclaiming out of this buying pool that we were in. So we have to see actually if we're able to actually go under this. So if we're able to break below this, then just maybe you can now start focusing on some longs, some shorts, right? Because we're still at this level where past time you're supposed to be actually buying here. So it's very interesting to see this as well. Here you do have a breaker as well from those levels. I don't know if we're going to want to start dropping just yet for your USD, right? Also, not taking a look at the H1 at this area that we're currently in. It does seem like price is handing us over some supply zones, right? Supply zones being made, in fact, and a lot of liquidity still plays down here, which is the reason why I still believe that maybe, just maybe, we might want to continue dropping that lower. Now I'm going to take a look at my sessions here and make sure to see or understand really what is happening here with USD. So not much here interesting to look at. M15 looks like we took up London highs and the lows. We broke out of London lows, we continue dropping. Again, we haven't truly opened way up here, but it still seems that we're fairly bearish, right? So to me, this looks like we're in a fairly bearish trend that price is wanting to continue dropping. So whenever we see this, I'm going to continue treating this as liquidity, where I would expect price to come down here. And I want to treat this now as my new Lego structure, this lower high point to this lower low. This is the Lego structure that we're currently basing ourselves on. Why is that? Well, the reason is because we broke out of this limit lows, right? It doesn't really show that it wants to go higher. It's more looking like it wants to reject that to continue dropping. So the true Lego structure here that we're currently in is this one. From this lower high point to this lower low point. What I do want to see now is price giving some sort of break anywhere around here where now price can actually continue dropping. Because you do have a breaker here, but no real clean FVG, so not much to get ourselves from as far as EURUSD goes as of now. This is a complete unlike someone being honest with you. Something for GPUSD, a little bit of a break of structure, very bearish golden candle here. Yes, we do have an FVG, but price is looking like it wants to drop down and grab some liquidity here. That's what it seems like to me. Yeah, to me, we have a nice little impulse here with a dollar. Alright, leading everything to and impulse. Sorry, with dollar, leaving this to start dropping. Leaving basically EU start dropping. I don't think we want to go back up higher from here. Lower, I'm sorry. This is an obvious level of resistance. We'll see if SMC traders are going to fall for this. To me, it looks like we had again a sweep here. We had a sweep. Yesterday we fell for it. Here we're looking for some longs. Unfortunately, dropped down. We'll see if now price wants to continue going up higher, and then now leading to some EURUSD shorts. Because obviously we just zoom back a little bit with dollar. We're in a very bullish bias. Right? Impulse higher here, inducement, and now we have this impulse here. It looks like we're going to continue going up higher. Now for gold, nice little impulse again, kind of the same thing that we're having with the other pairs. What I'm looking for is a nice little sweep of something, nice little sweep of liquidity, so I continue on with these models. With these drops here. I don't know why this shit got stuck. What happened here? Alright, brother, thanks again for sharing knowledge with the community. I appreciate you, brother. I don't know what's going on with my chart. Why is it just stuck like this? Why can't I see anything? Actually, let me save this real quick. And then let's go back. There we go. Alright, so what do we have here for gold? H1. 115. It's going good. How are you, brother? Again, just looks a little bearish to me for gold. Let me see here. It looks like we did have an impulse here. Break of structure. Not much here that got ourselves to continue looking for some drops. Did break out of this. small pocket of FEG right here, but no real inducement here. That's the part that I don't like, because in reality, yes, we had a small break here. We had a small level of liquidity drop here, right? That led to this level of supply being grabbed up here. See that? But it looks like we're just breaking out of non-real breaks. I want to see this FEG doesn't make sense to me because it's the same level here, right? I would like to see more of a break of structure and then take price down to these levels on here, as far as for gold goes. But it might just reject out of this FEG right here. Might just reject out of this. And then from here, we might get the draw that we're looking for gold. Because you have the sweep up higher, inducement for some longs, price goes up higher, rebalances that. Here you might have this drop here. So if you do want to be a little bit more aggressive on gold, this could be the setup that you're looking for here. 31 pips. Let's make 34. I'm not saying it's going to happen because I don't really enjoy it. I'm more pushing towards USD sells here. I like this. So here we have a bearish candle, bearish FEG within this FEG right here. Beautiful setup. And the breaker above, sitting right below now. This could definitely be a setup. So from this breaker, from this bearish candle right here, take some sells down to this level here. Sells above. Make that a 2-to-1 with ERUSD. That's what I'm currently going to be on. There goes EU. Stop loss NAS, what's NAS? What's going on? We're in NAS, we're in EU, I call this out right here. EU set up 2-to-1. Got this TP right here. Let's fucking go, baby. Told this shit drops. It doesn't do us like yesterday where we had that nice drop and then market just decides to fuck us over. That was so annoying. That was honestly the most annoying shit ever. When we had that drop with SPX, and then we decided to completely obliterate everyone and just said fuck it. It said fuck your stop loss. It just decided to go up higher. But it had that nice decline, right? That was so nice to see, honestly. Patient here. We will be patient. We should definitely drop down to that now that we have this lack of structure. I don't see why I wouldn't. I don't think we're going to be looking for those longs here too, resistance levels. Just gonna get a gigantic amount here. Nice fucking drop. Oh shit. How tiny. Stop loss. Why does shit keep deleting out of my thing? It's really frustrating, bro. That's twice. It doesn't say bullshit. Oh my god. I even for now I gotta look back on my phone what the setup was here. Let's go back. Oh, that's definitely not. I'm not gonna go back. Whatever. Let's fix this again. So how we had the FVG here, plus the break here. So we have that, right? Then we have this right here. So you guys want to see what break I'm talking about? Simple. Now we had our entry, which is right here. After the bearish engulfing. We had the low here. And this was a 2-to-1. So we have higher stops around here. Yeah, that's definitely a setup right there that we had. So we can rock with that. And let price do its thing with EURUSD. See what we want to do. Is it gonna hit stops? Is it gonna hit TP? We don't know. Oh, there we go, baby! There goes EU. There fucking goes EU. Let's fucking get it. Let me get my other phone real quick. 1 second. Let's go EU. You guys know how it goes, baby. Let's fucking get it. Beautiful start right here. Let me share this real quick with the chat. Beautiful EURUSD continuations. Live right here on Instagram. Live on YouTube. Let's fucking get it, boys. You guys know how it goes. Tune up. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Alright, you guys can definitely go up break even now with EURUSD. Here we go. Beautiful setup. Oh my god, this should delete again. Oh, I was about to go fuming. Hold on. Bro, the same trade that you're taking on YouTube, you are sending in your paid signal. Yes, sometimes I do. This one we did. The reason is that YouTube is delayed. So my signal obviously, my paid signals obviously get everything way faster. Let's say you have this setup, sometimes the paid signals won't catch it on. YouTube won't catch it as fast as the paid signals would because they're on the paid signals. So, they get that better 1-to-1. They get that better entry ratio because it's delayed, you know what I mean? So obviously for the paid signals, they get everything right on time. So this is interesting for Gold right here, right? This is the FPG that we had marked off. This is very interesting because we had a small rejection here and now we're back above this level. Could this be some sells? It could be. Again, like I said, if you are aggressive, you could definitely take this gold sells right here, target the highs, and then we can tell with this dropping down to a low, especially when you have this nice rejection here. Some people might be looking for this for some longs now. I do believe that we might just get this drop to gold. I'm not saying that I want to capitalize on it, but that is definitely something to try to take into consideration for gold. If you want to continue, because we do have that first inducement. I just don't like all these equal highs sitting right above it. That's the only thing that kind of pains me to try to get on this sell here. But if you do want to be a little bit more, aggressive, you can take that sell. Well, there goes EUSD right here. It's close to hitting TP. But I smack that right there. Beautiful setup. If you are in that EUSD sell, what I want you guys to do is record, post on your Instagram, and I'll tag you guys back, right? Show me that you guys got into that EUSD sell, so we can I can repost it, and we can continue doing these lives without any problem. I love doing that with you guys, catch some profits. That's the way that it goes. But alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I'm gonna go live now with my students. I'm gonna be live probably for another hour now on the Zoom. So if you guys did catch this show with me, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys after. See you guys tomorrow. You guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade, don't over-leverage, safe trading, and peace. Love you all. Love you all too on the YouTube. Peace, peace. Appreciate you guys.